Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card to GCash. So the short answer to that is you cannot fully link the Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card to GCash the same way you link a bank card. But you can use the Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus as a bank account and cash into the GCash because it is powered by a partner bank, which are AUB, Land Bank, Union Card, or China Bank, depending on the card issuer. So to process this, you can use the bank linked to your loyalty card, then cash into GCash using that bank. So first is you just have to look at your card. So you will see one of these logos like AUB, which is Asia United Bank, Land Bank, Union Bank, and China Bank. So this matters because it tells you which bank to use in the GCash. Second is to activate your loyalty card as a bank account. So if you haven't activated it yet, you can go to any Pag-IBIG branch, bring your loyalty card plus, and then your ID. And then you can ask them to activate the bank account, and they will just give you your account number. Next is to get your bank account number. So you need your account number, not the card number. So the ways to get it is you can ask the Pag-IBIG desk at the branch, so you can check the paper or the envelope where the card was released, and you can also check your SMS from the partner bank or some banks send it. And then to add your loyalty cards bank in the GCash for cash in, first is you go ahead and tap on the cash in, and then from here you tap on this link bank account, and then you will see all the list of available cards. So you just click on whichever card that you have, like for example AUB. So once you click on that one, you will see here the step-by-step guide on how you can cash in using that bank. So same way with all the bank brand. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.